Under the hood, we've worked with the Spectrum team to bring you a brand new feature called PowerGuard. Before PowerGuard, there were two different ways you could limit the speed of your vehicle. You could just use a lower voltage battery, so using a 2S battery in a 3S car, for example, or you could use the throttle limit switch on the radio. Both methods work well, but have their inconveniences. So for example, if I want to give my less experienced RC friend a go with my car, then I would have to switch to a 2S battery. Or I could just turn down the throttle limit switch on the radio and then hand it to Ben. Do you want to go with this? Now, Ben isn't a very good driver. I don't want him driving this car at full speed. And that is all fine until Ben realizes that all he has to do is flick this switch and he's back to full throttle, and there he is sending my Mini Kraton left, right and center. Bad Ben. PowerGuard has a power key, which if it is physically removed from the vehicle, locks the top level performance, and it can be driven by anybody, and as long as the key is not inserted into the vehicle, they will always be on that limited performance mode. With the power key removed, the truck will be in a limited top speed mode. It's still going to be good for 35 miles an hour. The other benefit of running with the power key removed in adrenaline mode is that you will have a much longer runtime. With the power key installed, you will be in chaos mode. This will unlock full power for your truck, 50 plus miles an hour. One truck, one battery, but two different ways your truck can perform.